the thing over here is that you are killing the things based upon this parameter, correct?
Yes, that's what I'm doing. Yep.
Perfect. It means that you are abiding all of the rules which I told you last time. So you shouldn't
Yep.
be bleeding your money. Right now you are having more control on that. Correct?
Yep.
Perfect. Perfect. So right now on this call, I am going to do a revision of this and these two as well. And after that,
Okay.
all these. Okay? Looks good? So
Yeah,
what
let's
we
go.
discussed last time on the session over here is 3-day booking rule, eagle eye testing view, which we say. On the last call, I showed you one of the client for whom we are spending more than 6 figures in ads on the live ad account. Remember, I showed you,
Yes. Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
we are getting massive numbers over there, and that was an investor niche. We are scaling his business. Okay,
Nice.
and this is the
Yep.
same parameter we have been using because this is your foundation, this is your core foundation. Okay, remember the sheet that you produced at that time on the very first session, your hyper target market segmentation. This is what we created, and the thing over here is on the day one, if you have been noticing that you haven't got any kind of link clicks, you need to kill that ad set. On top of it, if you notice that you got only one link click or two link click, but on the same time Gaurav gave me KPIs indicator sheet as well, where he has already mentioned this thing. For an example, if you have put $10 on each ad set and you got only $2 and you got only two link clicks, and here you can clearly see I have mentioned for the CPC $2 to $5 max, and you notice that your CTR is around 0.80%, 1.2%, but Gaurav told me 1.5% to 2%. That's a clear sign you need to kill that ad set because we can't wait. If I mentioned no link clicks, boom, kill that ad set. But on top of it, if you have been noticing other parameters are very bad, but you still got 1 to 2 link clicks, that's a clear sign this is not working because CTR 0.80%, 1.2%, less than 1.5%, clear sign it's not working. Even you notice that if I got only 2 link clicks and I spent $10, $2 to $5, Gaurav told me CPC. And on top of it, other variables are also not matching. That's a clear sign. CPM is going up more than $50, $89, $90. Kill it. This is what we talked about. Okay, day 2. If you don't get any kind of landing page views or no form view that no one has filled the form, kill the ad set. This is what we talked about. And on top of it, let's say on the very first day, this ad set was producing me good numbers, not leads. Link click was good, CTR was good, CPC was good, view content was good, everything was good, but no lead was there in this ad set. And even Gaurav told me if you got good numbers, no lead, still you can go ahead with the second day because we have a 3-day booking rule. Correct? On the second day, you noticed that the same ad set that was giving me good indications of CTR, CPC, CPM, link clicks on the very first day, on the second day, half day has been over. 40 to 50% of the budget has been spent on that ad set, and I got only one link click or two link click, and other parameters right now today are declining. That's a great sign. You need to switch off that ad set. We cannot
Yeah.
allow it to go it for the entire day. Make
Yeah.
sense, buddy?
I'm with you. Yeah, 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 yeah. No worries.
Perfect.
I
On the
mean, you
3
could
day,
just look. All you got to do is look. And if it, I mean, these are all great indicators.
let me guarantee you on that as well. If you are going to follow all those things which I have mentioned over here,
Yep.
based upon that, I can guarantee you. Why I am telling you guarantee? Because same parameters, same thing which I am telling you over here, same thing I am using for other clients as well who are getting massive numbers, where we are spending more than $100,000 every single month because those clients are not fool. They will not gonna allow me to spend $100,000 in a single month the way I showed you last time on the live ad account. And if I talk about other clients as well, see this thing. Yesterday I posted one of another client. She just launched the ad on the very next day. She got 2 leads, and she was literally crazy. Here you see what she mentioned.
Yeah, I see.
Okay, and if I talk about another client as well, this guy who also own an agency, he saw 50% drop in his cost
Okay.
per lead.
That's
So it's all
beautiful.
about that how you are doing that particular thing step by step. I
Yeah.
already gave you the roadmap. I already gave you my 11 years of experience in your plate.
Yeah.
Just kill
Okay.
it.
So today we're going to go over rapid test,
Exactly.
micro, macro,
Budget
and budget
scaling
scaling.
for a gold mine, which I can tell you. Okay, you are going to run this method only when you got 3 to 5 performing ad sets. You already know that yes, I launch my 10 audiences which you created in your algorithmic target marketing, okay, which you have created in your target segmentation, Netflix, core flex, magazine flex. Remember those ad sets I'm talking about, and
Yeah,
after
I remember
duplicating them
that.
again and again and again.
I got to
Sorry.
go review that because it's only now making sense to me. I didn't realize the value of it
I told
when
you.
we did it. Now I do.
No worries.
I
But
have to review that.
see, if I am pushing my energy over here, so you can become my next success story. Otherwise, I can become another type of guru as well. Why I am revising all those things for you?
Yeah.
Why? Otherwise, I can even start with this thing as that, buddy. We have already talked about these two in the last session. Let's start with this one. I
Yep.
literally
Let's go.
want you to scale further and become my next success story. This is
Yeah,
what
me
I
too.
want.